So in a few days from now, a company is going public whose products you pretty much, if you live in the US, have, I think, guaranteed most likely all of you have bought their products and may not know that it's actually from one specific company that is going public on the stock market on January 28th. They have 14 brands, and I say pretty much most of you must have bought their products because they make things like various types of beef products, bacon that you buy in the supermarkets and all that stuff. It's a very interesting company, multi-billion dollar company, and the positive thing is that they have positive free cash flow. So for an initial public offering with a multi-billion dollar company and free cash flow, positive products that you probably like, I think this might be an interesting IPO that you might want to check out. Now, before we get to that IPO, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That really does help this channel if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to be part of our Discord, you can. The link will be in the bottom of the screen below. Over on the Discord, guys, on January 8, 2025, I had told my members that I will buy ABSI at 376, and we were able to sell it same day in pre-market, that same exact day, at $5, $5.02, $5.10, $5.05, $4.98, whatever. The gain was really good. 30% gains, 32% gains, all within this, in pre-market, which is awesome. Now, we are back in ABSI again. On January 8, 2025, that same day in regular trading hours, though, I got back in ABSI at 335. And right now, at the time of recording this video, I am profitable again on ABSI. Now, that and a lot more, you can find on the Discord. But besides that, and what I pick for myself that people members have access to before I buy it and when I'll sell and all that, that's not really the point. The whole point of the Discord is that you can use these 17 powerful quant tools that will help you become a better investor, which is what I use daily. That's what I use. I use those tools, and that's how I trade, right? They're very powerful. I can't trade without them. I can't invest without them. I need them. If I don't have them, I got a problem. So they're very powerful, and you can have access to those too. Also, RF, which I've talked about in a YouTube video, I did say that for me personally speaking, it was a buy at 23.78. I also said that on my Discord. We're up on that, guys, big time. And now let's go to the IPO. So Smithfield Foods Incorporation, guys, ticker symbol SFD. This is the company that is going public on January 28, 2025. And I'm pretty sure you know most of their products. We'll get to that in a little bit to see what their products are. IPO price range is 23 to 27. Shares offered at 34.8 million. Deal size 870 million, probably $1 billion deal. Most likely, not probably, most likely. So the market cap of the company, keep that in mind, currently, looking at the financial data, and we'll look at it in a little bit, is $9.9 billion. This is a company that is Virginia-based in the U.S. It was founded originally in 1936 as a pork processing company and has since expanded its product offering to a wide variety of packaged meats focused on pork products. Management is headed by President and CEO Shane Smith, who has been with the company since 2003, and they offer fresh pork, frozen pork, processed pork products, poultry, beef, and 14 different type of brands that you'll find in the supermarkets. As of September 29, 2024, Smithfield has received over $3 billion in investments from various types of investors, and the company employs 34,000 people. One of the negative things that I did notice about Smithfield right away is the revenue. In 2022, guys, they had $16.1 billion in revenue, which is okay, fine. But then they dropped in 2023 to $14.6 billion. And then for the year of 2024, that was also a drop. And just the first 9 months, around 10.1. Finished around $12 billion. Gross profit loss goes from $1.4 billion to $1.3 billion in 2024, and the gross margin is pretty low. Actually, it's very low. It used to be 9%, then it goes to 6%, then 13% in 2024. They have $278 million in cash. They have $5 billion in total liabilities, but their free cash flow is positive at $558 million. So would I invest in this IPO on January 28, 2025? Well, the IPO price range is going to be 23 to 27. It's not available for pre-order. I don't think it's going to open at 23. I don't know. If it opens at 27 or higher, I'm not buying. If it opens at 23 or lower, I will definitely think about it. I will seriously think about it. Not too much, not heavy, very little, just to have something in the portfolio and keep track of it and so on. And as for ABSI, which is, like I said, on January 8, 2025, did say that I'm going to get back into it for a second time at 335. Right now, guys, as I'm looking at the screen, it's trading right now in pre-market at 347, which is awesome. And we also have news that Kathy Wood has bought shares in ABSI. So, cool. Maybe it's going to go higher. I think it can hit 4, but I could be wrong. We'll see. But that's just where I'm aiming at. Maybe I'm wrong. Like I said, I'm not perfect, but that's where I'm aiming at. And let me know in the comment section below if you're in ABSI and what you think the price target would be for this stock. I wish you guys all the best and take care.